In this video, I will show you how to fix the No Audio Device is Installed error on Windows 11. To get started, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Right-click on the Windows icon. A menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Device Manager. Now that Device Manager is open, look for a category labeled Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Click on it to expand and reveal all audio devices installed on your system. Next, find Realtek Audio or any other audio driver listed here. Right-click on Realtek Audio, then select Update Driver from the context menu. In this new window, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Next, choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Make sure that Realtek High Definition Audio is selected. This is crucial for ensuring compatibility with most systems. Then click Next, and your system will begin installing this driver. Once the installation completes, close out of this window. If there are any other audio drivers present in that same category, like additional Realtek drivers or others, repeat this update process for each one as well. After updating all relevant audio drivers, it's time for a quick restart. Simply reboot your device by clicking Start, Power, Restart. This step is essential because it allows changes made during driver updates to take effect properly. Upon restarting, check if your audio issue has been resolved. You should now see that your audio devices are recognized by Windows 11 again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.